Hello everyone. Today we are here with Dr. Millie Sinha. She is an aesthetic physician with over 15 years of experience in this industry. She is an expert in skincare, hair care, laser treatments, and many other things. She is a multi-talented person and a very sweet personality. Come, let's have a chat with her. Hello ma'am, how are you doing?
Hi Radhika, I'm very well and I'm really excited to be here. It always gives me immense pleasure to educate our listeners. So I'm here for that today.
Fantastic. Ma'am, nowadays skincare is flooded with so many ingredients and products. So it is very hard for us to know that which works best for our skin. And for someone who is trying to figure it out, like what works for them. So what according to you is the best ingredient that is truly essential for our healthy skin?
It's a very important question, Radhika. So actually nowadays the market, like you said, rightly said, that it is flooded with so many products. But what actually makes the major impact on our skin is the ingredient. So today I'm going to be discussing with you the most impactful ingredients that are there and that work for our skin.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी हमारे ऑडियंस को आज. तो आज हम जानेंगे इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बारे में जो इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं हमारे स्किन के लिए.
Yeah, so सबसे पहले let's talk about the main and a very interesting ingredient called the brown algae.
So ma'am, brown algae, what makes brown algae stand out from other skincare products or ingredients?
So brown algae क्या है? So what it is basically a seaweed which is found in cold deep oceans. ठीक है? What it does for our skin is it is rich in antioxidants, it is rich source of iodine and also fucoidan. Okay, this helps in not just repairing but also protecting our skin. Right? Traditionally, it was used as a very good ingredient in wellness industry, but nowadays it is also being used in the modern skincare products.
Okay, so tell me more about brown algae. Like how should we use it on our skin?
Okay, so first of all there are three main benefits that brown algae has on our skin. Okay, it protects our skin from the pollution, from UV rays. So it is basically protecting our skin from the environmental pollutants.
That is very important. Right?
Also, it helps in boosting collagen. Right? So
great.
Again, then it is working as an anti-aging agent. Right? Which nowadays I think sabhi ko chahiye hota hai. Everybody wants an anti-aging ingredient in their skincare, right? So it helps in anti-aging. It also helps give you a more clearer skin, right? And a more brighter skin tone. So if I have to sum it up, basically it is an ingredient that is packed with a lot of skincare benefits which we want to see in our day-to-day appearance of the skin, right? Also, it is a very deep hydrating ingredient. ठीक है? तो आपके स्किन को हाइड्रेट करेगा, आपको पोल्यूशन से प्रोटेक्ट करेगा और एक एंटी एजिंग बेनिफिट भी देगा. अब इससे ज़्यादा एक इंग्रेडिएंट में आपको और क्या चाहिए?
मेरा एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, लाइक क्या हर एज ग्रुप के लोग इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं?
Yes. So another two important things is it also calms your skin. ठीक है? So if you have acne prone skin or you have very sensitive skin, so it is a very good ingredient to have. ठीक है? Also, since it is good for sensitive skin, it can be used by all skincare ages. Any age group can use it. And additionally, the most important thing is it is nowadays, if we all talk about it, it is also a sustainable product. So it is not causing any environmental pollution. Right? So we also want to look at, whether our skincare is conscious and it is also protecting the environment. So this is one of the additional benefits the brown algae has.
That was very informative, ma'am.
अच्छा, एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी. नाउ लाइक आई सेड राइट कि अब ब्राउन एल्गी है, लेकिन हम जब प्रोडक्ट खरीदने जा रहे हैं तो व्हाट आर वी लुकिंग फॉर? अब इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट में देखने जाएंगे तो देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट नेम्स.
राइट मैम, बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं, तो हम लोग इतने कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि हमको क्या देखना है उस प्रोडक्ट में, उस लिस्ट में क्या देखें. कि हमें पता चले?
तो जब भी आप ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट देख रहे हैं जिसमें आप चाहते हैं कि ब्राउन एल्गी हो, तो यू शुड लुक फॉर नेम्स लाइक सासग्रासम, लैमिनेरिया एक्सट्रैक्ट और फ्यूकॉइडम. ठीक है, ये मोस्टली फाउंड होता है इन क्रीम्स, सेरम्स, मास्क एंड मॉइस्चराइजर्स, और बहुत बार इट इज़ mixed with other ingredients also, other actives, which will boost its anti-aging effect and an overall impact on the skin.
And one more thing, ma'am. What are the tips like before using brown algae on your skin? पता नहीं लोगों को थोड़ा सा रहता है ना कि brown algae पता नहीं क्या है, तो what is it?
See, ऐसे तो it is a very safe ingredient, it is backed by science and it is also approved by dermatologists. लेकिन whenever you are starting a new product, it is always advisable that you do a small test batch, and then once you use it, कोई problem नहीं हो रही तो then enjoy the benefits.
I'm surely going to use it, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, please do.